So far our apps work, but they're quite basic and do very little. What I want to do is put the pace up a little bit and go back to what we have so far. And I'm going to add in a second edit text. I want to have two edit texts, and the idea will be is I'll be typing something in the first edit text and something to the next edit text. Let's pretend they're numbers, so two numbers, and when I click the button, it'll add the numbers together. So I'm going to make a lot of changes now, and you won't like this. So first things first, I'm going to unlink my button from joining to this edit text. I'm then going to take my button and, oh, it's going slow again, move it down. That's the first thing. I'll grab another one of these edit texts called plain text, stick it in here somewhere in the middle. I thought it was the middle, but I guess not. There you go. I'll stick this one to the one above, give it a bit of a gap, stick the button to the one above, I can get it to move, there you go, give it a bit of a gap, make sure this one sticks to the left and the right. So I'll repeat the process a lot we've seen already. I don't like all these kind of variations it says now, so the first one says type something, I'll change that to type in a number. Don't forget that pops up sometimes, so forward, back, done. I'll rename it from edit text input to edit text number 1. I'm giving that a brand new name. This one here will be called edit text number 2. Spell that right, helps. There you go. And I'll change the text in there to type in a number. So that's the two of those done. Oh, it's in the wrong place. I shouldn't be using the text section, it should be the hint, shouldn't it? Remember hint, type in a number. I've noticed the gravity's not set in that one, so go look for gravity again. Change it to center again. Bring it back again. So that's two of those done. The hello button's no longer a hello button, so I'll change that to button add, good name. Change the text in there to add. Right, so we now know that's the button for adding. Here, where the answer is, the name's okay, but I'll change the message. Please enter two numbers and click the button. And again, more typos. It must be Friday. Yes, it is. There you go. So that's the basic layout of it. But I've changed names of things. Let's go back and look at the code. Right, if you look at the code, it's still button hello. That's the wrong name, isn't it? We weren't using button hello now. It's called button add. So I want button add in there. I want the find view ID, but look, it's changed the references. That helps. The next one was the text view. Text view answer was okay, still the same name. Edit text was not called that now. It's called edit text number 1. But look at the end here. It's realised the change in references. It's done it for us for that at least. Get the next edit text in now. Edit text number 2 equals edit text. Fine. Notice I'm pressing the enter a lot just to get these things to pop up quickly. Edit text number 2. So I've now linked the extra edit text in. This is red now because it doesn't recognise button hello, but that's okay. We know it's called button add. And down here I'll change my references there to say add as well. So basically saying the same button, I've renamed it. So don't forget to change a few things. There you go. Now this is a mistake now. It was looking for edit text input. It's now called edit text number 1. There's that one there. And it's going to answer. That's a bad name. What I'll do is this. I'll keep it as a string just now to make it less complex. I'll just call this S number 1. I want to do number 2 as well. So string string, there you go, string S number 2 equals again edit text. Oh, number 2. There you go. It's the second one. Get the text from it, get text, that's there, make it a string, there we go. This is a long way around of doing it, but what I've got here now is, I'll just save this before I'll lose it all. What I have here is both edit texts, so look at the screen there, that one and that one, whatever I type in, when I click the button, whatever I type here and here has now been saved or stored inside these two variables here, number 1 and number 2, and they're both strings. Now what I want to do is, I want to make sure that, well, I don't really want to make sure, I'm hoping people type numbers in. I'm not going to put any error checker in this because it could easily crash. I'll leave that out just now. But what I'm hoping to do is to have two numbers to add together. So I'll do this. Int means an integer or a whole number. And I call it I, number 1, is equal to integer dot parse int. Find the damn thing that's there. It's looking for a string s number 1. What that'll do is, if it doesn't crash, as long as I put a number in, it's taking the string value, making it a whole number integer, and keeping it inside an integer variable so I can do some maths. I'll do the same thing again for number 2. It's parse int again with s number 2. So that's me now get the two values that's been taken and turned into whole numbers now. And now I want to make a brand new variable called I answer to do the maths, and it'll equal get number 1 added to number 2. Because we're in the button that adds strings, so therefore that's what you expect. Now where it says text view, it says S answer, I'll just put in I answer. So it'll take that value there and it'll fire it into the text view. It takes the two numbers, adds them together, and it'll display them in the text view. And that's basically it. Again, all you do is save the whole thing again, and again, you go up to run, and you run the application again to see what happens. If there's any red error messages or red error lines, this goes red as well. At points, you'll recognise you've made a typing mistake somewhere.